Subscribe to AkhilanTech YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon for the latest tech updates.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. In this video, I am going to give some of the settings that you should change in this Realme 7 mobile phone, and these are the useful tricks that I am going to tell you. So watch the video till the end for knowing the each and every trick, because if you are using this Realme 7 mobile phone, then it will be useful to you. So let's get started. First trick is the Realme Lab. For that you have to just scroll down and you have to click on this Realme Lab, and in this we are having the two options. First one is the smooth scrolling. If you click on that, then if you turn on this, then you will find somewhat smooth scrolling rather than the before ones. You will not find a major difference, but you will find the minor difference. And the next one we are having is the super nighttime standby. If you turn on this when you are in the night conditions, when you are sleeping, then in that time when you keep your mobile phone to a sidewards, then in that time when you turn on this and when you keep your mobile phone to a sidewards, then it will kill some of the apps that will run in the background and it will save somewhat battery life. And for the next one you have to go into notification and status bar, and here we are having the battery percentage. You can even show the battery percentage. By default it will be in the do not display mode, then you have to just toggle it to the outside the battery icon or the inside battery icon. And then we are also having the real-time network speed. By default it will be turned off. So for example, I'm connecting to the Wi-Fi and on the top you can see there is not showing the real-time network speed. To turn on that, you have to just turn on this icon, then you can see it is showing the real-time network speed. The next trick is in the file manager. For example, if you just delete anything accidentally, then that file will be there in the recently deleted for 30 days. After 30 days it will be deleted from this also, but for 30 days you can just restore that file right from here. And the next one is the Selective Screenshot. If you want to just take any small part of the screenshot, then you have to just hold your 3 fingers and you have to just scroll it down. You can see this, it is now selecting only the some part of the screenshot, and you can adjust it later and you can directly save that screenshot right from here. And the next one is a screen recording. If you just see here, we are having the screen recording. If you just go into the properties of the screen recording, you can see we are having the system sound recording. By default it will be turned off, but you can turn on if you want to just record the system sound also. And you can even adjust the video resolution to the 1080p, as the full HD, and you can even adjust the microphone sound and the bitrate right from here. And also you can even choose the custom resolution and the custom bitrate. Next trick is if you want to just restrict the mobile data and the SIM card data, then you have to click on this SIM card data and you have to just scroll down and you have to click on the data usage, and again you will have the network permissions. If you want to restrict the network permissions to any certain app, then you have to just directly click on that app and you have to just click on the disable network for disabling the network for that app. And again, if you want to enable that, you can enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data or even any single network. And in the settings you're also having the app lock feature. If you want to just lock any app, you can directly enable this and you have to just click on turn on, and you can directly set your password for the app you want to keep secure. We are also having the app cloner. If you want to just use any app twice in your mobile phone, like using the 2 accounts, then you can directly click on the Instagram for example, then you have to just click on clone app. Then you can find the 2 Instagram apps. You can see one is right here and another one right here. You can use the 2 different accounts using the 2 different apps. And the next trick is in the camera. If you just open the camera app and if you just get into the video mode, and if you just go into the properties and if you just get down here, we are having the video watermark option. You just turn on the phone model and you can just enter your name. For example, you can enter any name. For example, I'm just entering AkhilanTech, and when you record any video, and I'm recording any video, I'm just recording a normal shot, and you can see my video is been recorded. You can see AkhilanTech, the watermark has been added as the AkhilanTech. So like this you can add your own names in this video app. And the last trick is the changing the icon style. For that you have to just hold that and you have to just get into settings and you have to just get down, and if you just get down you can see we're having the set icon style, and by default it will be in the default mode. You can just set it to the material style, and also you can set it to the pebble style, or you can even choose the custom size. You can keep however you want. If you just resize the icon, you can just keep however you want. You can just adjust the type of app style you want, and after that you just click on apply and it will be applied right from here. And that's all from this. video. If you find this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And also, don't forget to watch this video out there because it will be way more interesting. And that's it from me today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!